Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Rollins. I'm an attorney here in DC. Today we're going to be talking about the DUI lawyer and the cost of that lawyer. Now, I've written several blogs about the cost of DUI lawyers in DC and Maryland and what that cost range is generally around. As I stated, we are doing this new series where we're actually trying to connect videos with those blogs. And so this video is connected with that blog. Now, that blog basically speaks about the experience of the attorney. So when you're looking for a DUI attorney and you're trying to figure out what the range of the cost is, a lot of it has to do with the experience of that attorney. Obviously, you don't want someone coming straight out of law school. And so you're going to look at the experience of that attorney to kind of put things together and see if he has enough experience and whether he's tried DUI cases in DC or Maryland before. So you need to look at that before you hire an attorney. The second thing you need to look at, which this is the big one, which is the office overhead of that attorney. So just use your common sense. If the attorney is where his office is, or if he's got marble floors and he's got all the nice things, you're going to be paying for that. That's really what you're paying for, is you're paying for all of that nice design and all the pretty artwork he has on the walls. So consider that when you're looking at the attorney. And then, of course, you got to determine whether this is your first or second offense. Now, one way attorneys also, as I've written several blogs about this, is the kind of changing of times for lawyers, and that the cost of their fees could substantially be dropped by the use of technology. And you can read some of that. I think I'll post one on here or connect that article on there. But that has a lot to do with the cost of fees as well, is that whether they are actually using technology. And if they're not using technology, then their fees may be higher. They're still using snail mail. They're still using email to send you out documents. So consider those factors also when you're hiring an attorney and the cost of that attorney. The cost between a DUI in DC and Maryland, there is some difference there because DC has a lot more waiting time. There's a lot more time in court in DC than Maryland. The other factors is first or second, like I said, first or second, third DUI, because you're only eligible for a jury trial on the second or third DUIs in DC. So that cost factor is huge. Typically, you're going to pay somewhere between the range of $2,000 to $5,000 for a first-time DUI. And like I said, the fluctuations in the prices has to do with that overhead and the overhead of that lawyer and the experience of that lawyer. There are other things in that article that you should look at, but pay attention to that. But if you have more questions, you can always reach out to us and we will be happy to assist you. As usual, subscribe to our blog and thanks for watching.